All right, let's take a look at this one. 1967 Ford F-100 custom cab pickup truck. Now this truck has been restored, repainted. I'd say a frame-on restoration, where it has been brought back and kept kind of the way it would have been in 1967, the way it came from Ford Motor Company. Now in 67, of course, they redesigned the pickup and was completely changed from its previous generation. It was a wider cab, bigger truck, more comfort, better ride, better handling. So, very cool truck. Now this one is frost turquoise. In the videos and the pictures, it comes across a little more light blue than it really is in person. I don't know if I can get the camera angle right, but it's a little more of a turquoise than a light blue, if that makes sense. It's just tough with the lighting and sometimes the cameras, how they pick up the color. Not a huge variance, but a little bit. Just want to let you know it's a little more turquoise than kind of it appears in light blue. Underneath the hood, 240 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder. That's the way it would have originally came. According to previous owners, is the original engine. This truck has originally 86,000, 87,000, right in that range as far as miles go. That is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. So you got a 240 cubic inch inline 6 paired with a 4-speed. Now, if you want to check out any of the still pictures, so you can see the interior, the undersides of this truck, very solid truck. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to discuss things on this truck with you. As you can see, some of the bright work does show a little bit of age to it. It is original to this truck. So again, has been repainted, but the bright work and everything is still all original on this. As you can see, has the Western style mirrors on the side of it. Would have been an option on this truck, as well as a padded dash. Two-tone paint combination was the way this originally would have came. You can see how straight this truck is up and down the sides of it too. Get one this long, it's going to show very easily. If it's not done right, done straight. It's got a bench seat. There's your 4-speed. I want to show you something else in here too that I noticed was kind of interesting. Talk about original. Look at this. This is the original backing. As you can tell, it's from 1967. This truck, again, quite original. Appears to be the original vinyl on the seat. Again, your padded dash. And take a look underneath the doors in the still pictures. Come down here and just look at how this is. Lots of times we'll see these when they start to get rusty, full of filler. Not on this one. Check those out in the still pictures also. Now we do consider financing, or I should say we do consider trades. We have financing available, and of course we can assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at. Stock Ford rear bumper on this also. Bed also finished nicely. Yeah, you can tell it's had some use in the day, but not all beat up like you see a lot of them. Pretty nice shape considering you're looking at a 67 Ford F-100 pickup box. Take a peek at my cheat sheet here too, and let's see if I tell you a little bit more about this truck that the previous owners passed along to me. Alright, the features on this would have been AM radio, padded dash, 2 visors, does have 2-speed wipers in it. This was a 131-inch wheelbase truck. Does have a dome light, seat belts, latching glove box, windshield washer, reverse lights, headliner, the crown, or I should say chrome hubcaps, driver's door armrest, body side moldings. All what they're saying would have been options on this truck. 2-tone exterior paint, interior paint. So again, pretty cool old original Ford F-100 custom cab. Again, check out the still picture so you can see the engine bay, interior, underside of this at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or call us 507-386-1726. Be happy to assist you on this one. And give us a call, because like I said, we have some notes on this. If you're wondering some of the things that were done to it, there's a pretty good list. Previous owners have passed along to us, so we'll be happy to help you out with that too. But again, just take a look down underneath the door here also. Original data tag, that's in the pictures, so you can check that out. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll check underneath the hood. There's your miles, 87,266. So easy that fires up. Again, very stock dash. Your 4-speed. Fuel gauge appears to work fine. Turn on neutral here. Alright, I did have the wipers going, I wanted to show you earlier too. Did not have the radio power up, by the way. I tried that also, did not get that to power up. So nice if that door closes. There you go, hear it run. Again, what you'd expect out of a stock engine. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second, and let's pop the hood and get a look under there. All right, there's that 240 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder, purring like a kitten. And again, a lot of the maintenance things and stuff that have been done to this truck, we do have a list of, so if you are interested, we will have that on record here. There you have it. One smooth running engine, 1867 Ford F-100 custom cab. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at. And ask your sales consultant. This vehicle may qualify for an extended warranty. Our number, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. That'll take you right to us. Look forward to hearing from you on this beauty.